Did you know that you can add a Wheel of Fortune to reward your viewers on your TikTok live stream? I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super simple. Without further ado, let's go right into it. All right, first things first, what you need to do is download TikFinity. I've done countless videos on this program. I'm not sponsored by them. I just love what you can do with their program and how you can increase your engagement on your TikTok live stream using, some of their nice features. So what you need to do is download TikFinity. The link will be down in the description below if you haven't already. Make sure to do that and then go into start on the top left and then connect your TikTok account to TikFinity. That way you can actually adjust and do all these things on your TikTok live stream. So connected. Once you've done that, you will see in the top left your TikTok username, and it's gonna say click to connect, disconnected. That means you're now live and everything works fine. So you don't need to worry about that at all. Now, if you want to add the Wheel of Fortune, all you have to do is scroll down on the left side, find Wheel of Fortune on the bottom over here, click it, and then you will see a bunch of different settings over here. So what we need to do is change some of them to make the Wheel of Fortune have custom names and custom things that you want to add to it. So if you didn't know, while using TikFinity, your viewers will earn points, right? So they can use those points to like gamble, do Wheel of Fortune spins and all of that different things. Very nice. It's super nice way to reward your viewers for watching you, and then they can use it for, to do special effects on your stream. So the command to trigger this, the wheel is going to be !spin. If you want to change it, all you have to do is just click on the change button and then change the command to whatever you want. I like it as spin, so I'm going to leave it as that. Action for main win. So what that means is that if you click on change, you can actually enable a specific event on your stream. For example, if you're doing the Minecraft minigame, it's going to spawn TNTs to, break your buildings, or I don't know, whatever you want to do. You can add an event. So when somebody wins, they're going to trigger that specific event on TikFinity. If you don't know about that, you can actually check my other video in the top right of your screen. So cost per spin, this is how many points it's going to cost them to spin the wheel. 5 is all right. If you want to increase that, if you have, viewers with a lot of points, you can increase that as well. Maximum normal win is going to be 10 points. Main win is going to be 30 points. And then waiting time in minutes. This basically means how many times can people type !spin? What's the delay between them? So you can add it to 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, one person can type !spin. There's like a cooldown. Once one wheel spins, you cannot do it for 10 minutes. So pretty nice. You can change these to whatever you want, whatever you think is going to work for your audience. And then if you scroll down, you have the advanced settings. What we want to do here is you want to use custom fields and then add the fields to your Wheel of Fortune. But before we do that, let's click on this Wheel of Fortune overlay over here. It's going to scroll down and we click on test. So now you can see how Wheel of Fortune is going to look like. It's just going to be a bunch of numbers and a bunch of different things. And that is it. So that looks all right. That looks, nothing special. If we go back to Wheel of Fortune, we can add the custom fields. So if you go to new field, you can make it whatever color you want. You can change it to, for example, pink, click OK, make it 5 points. And then custom description, you can add, I don't know, a viewer's name, or you want to do a specific thing, a specific event, whatever you're planning on doing. You can do like 1 TNT. You can add a new field. Let's do this one blue. 4 points. You can do like 2 TNTs, whatever. It doesn't matter. You can add it to your liking. Customize, these custom fields, and then a specific action. If you want to do the same thing, for example, do a specific action when somebody rolls that number or when somebody rolls that specific, field. Allow chat gamble. So this is to enable your chat to gamble more. If you want, then you can add a maximum gamble amount. Sometimes TikTok doesn't really like the word gambling and might even restrict your TikTok live stream. So keep that in mind. If you're gonna use this, make sure to tell your viewers, about the gambling, but in a different way. So TikTok Live Studio doesn't permit, doesn't like stop your stream and doesn't ban it or whatever. Be careful. So now that we have these custom fields, let's test them out. If we go to the top over here, you click on this overlay. You click on the test, and now you can see our 2 fields, spinning, and whatever it lands on, that's gonna be the winner. Super nice, super simple. Now, how do we add that to our stream? So if you wanna do that, it's super simple, just like any other TikFinity video that I've done. all you have to do is click on copy over here. That is gonna copy this, and all you have to do is paste it into your browser source on TikTok Live Studio or OBS Studio. So if you want to do that for our TikTok, let me show you how to do it. So now that I have my TikTok Live Studio open, all I do is go to add source over here. You go to link, click on add, and then you can just paste this link right over here. Turn on the sound so it does the spinning sound as well. Add source, and now you have this source right over here. So you can put it on top, you can put it on the side, whatever you want. Let's just increase the size of it. We go back to TikFinity, we click on test, and you can see it spin on the screen right over here. So you can choose the positioning of it wherever you want, but that's how you can add it to TikTok Live Studio. Now for OBS, let me show you how to do it there as well. So now that we are in OBS, what you have to do to add it to OBS is go to sources, right click the sources, add a browser source, click on browser, name it Wheel of Fortune or whatever you wanna name it. You click on OK. And then you just paste this link, leave all the other settings all right, click on that. If we enable the preview, we can see the position. We go back to TikFinity, we click on test, and here it is right over here. You can adjust the size, you can adjust the position, and you have the Wheel of Fortune right over there. That's basically it. It is super simple. Like I told you, you can add the Wheel of Fortune to reward your viewers just by adding a simple browser source from TikFinity. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to drop the like button. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to watch more of my TikFinity guides, make sure to check them out right over here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.